Hello, good morning. Let's go straight to the present. Okay, so yesterday the market from the low it just traveled and then moved higher. So the obviously today it should be higher. Okay, so that's one part. But what is the support level coming from the Nasdaq yesterday? It was an excellent support around 3%. So that's the reason it may be up. But our market is looking flattish, but Nikki is positive, but Nikki positively flattish. It is trading for the last 3-4 hours. So as we discussed earlier, market will not be giving a clear-cut signal such that it starts with 1%, move on to become like 2%. So that's a easy trade and easy giving money giving making opportunity. The market does not give you that, and today is also the expiry. So the market is trying to confuse you. So if you have the conviction, you can have a you can take a buy call, you can buy a futures with appropriate stop loss. What is the appropriate stop loss? Like if you expect 1%, have an 1% stop loss. 0.5. This doesn't mean you expect 0.2 and then you have 0.2%. So your stop losses are going to get hit. So that is where certain other things comes like in day trading you should not average, but you determine the like volume and quantity you want to like you want to purchase. And then what you do is, like, if at all, even if it is falling, you buy here at the appropriate support and the signal, you buy here and then you buy here. You see here, you can have your like 0.3 0.4% on a positive side if at all it comes like this. Okay, so this is from the time frame from 9:30 to 3:30. This is what we are trying to say. Never average in trading, but in day trading especially, you don't average. We have said that statement. Now we are conflicting this statement. But if you know your max and then what is the volume and what is the like your expectation, like for example 100 rupees you are going to buy, like you buy somewhere 10 o'clock 30 rupees and again 30 rupees, and then this 230 rupees itself will be giving you a positive like something like 0.5% here. Okay, so this is how in a trend in a positive stock it will behave. Like it may give you a wrong signal, but it will finally reach the signal what it has to be giving you. So these are all the confusion it gives you. So this is about some deep technical information. And though we do the Tamil in English, we want to make it as much as different and similar as possible, 50-50. So that's why we did say this in the Tamils. But yeah, so these are all our buy signals. So why we buying it, how we buying it, this is a usual procedure. You can also check it in the Tamil. And then, so with respect to the Nifty, the levels are told in English, even in the Tamil. So you can have the levels there. So I briefly tell it for the Nifty. For the Bank Nifty, you can check it out. So today better don't go in for the short. You try to buy because the market like 80% it can go up. So 20% anything can happen. Okay. So and then if you're going to buy, like you can buy a small option lot, or else yeah, like you're going to buy 3-4 futures, you buy the one future in the morning. Okay, so that's about the buy side. So where to buy? So exactly the level is if at all, if it comes here like 17,350, you can start buying. Okay, that is one thing. You can buy with little conviction here. And if you are in doubt, so buy your small lots in the beginning, like even before 9:30 you can buy a one small thing, one small lot. Okay, so the option shorters, like today is a good opportunity, like you can short the market may go up, so like you can short it the early period. So that's about that. And so okay, we'll give you one more stock. Like we like as you told, like this is not discussed in the thing. So in the Tamil, so in the Tamil, deeply ICICI Bank was discussed. So this is the Jubilant Food. From this lot, we picked up this one. So we just scanned the all the way from here to here, which is a market cap, large cap stock. So and then what we can give for the day, and then for next 10 to 20 years again we are speaking. So that is the Jubilant Food. Okay, so we have picked it up by bottoming it down here. So and then we checked it with the technical levels also. So on a day basis pattern, so it is in the positive trend. This is a super trend, but the MACD has cut. But you see here a kind of like the upside like boat kind thing, the boat upside coming here. So this is a kind of positivity. So you can see the same pattern here with this pink color line is a 5 minute moving average. So 1 hour, yeah, clear cut it is in the upside. So where it can travel, so without resistance it can travel up to here. So 579. So here is your 1%. If you get it in the same level, you can buy it. And if at all you if it comes here 567, you can start buying it. But this is for the 1 day match. So if you are paying the monthly match or else the yearly match, yeah, so you can close your eyes and you can buy this stock for next 5 to 10 years. Okay, so monthly you can buy something and then you can wait. So such that you can get your 2 to 5% definitely in 2 3 months. Okay, though the market is going to go down, like the sentiments are down, market may go down, but these are some of the stocks which can outperform the markets. Okay, so this is new Jubilant Food is nothing but your Domino's Pizza. So you travel anywhere around the India, like big cities like Chennai, Delhi, Bombay. So within 5 kilometers, you will be definitely seeing this brand. So this is about the visibility. Yeah, even in smaller cities compared to the metropolitan like Pune, you travel around 10 kilometers, you are going to see this. So, but that is not the only reason or one reason we are telling this. This company, in terms of financial fundamentals, it's a good company, zero debt, and in fact, one of the good stocks after IPO performance. If you check it, it has already given a higher side of 7 to 10x return. I'm speaking about 1000x return in the last 10 years. Okay, so this is about the after the Lehman story. This is one of the stocks which has come out and then which has given a phenomenal performance. And will it continue to give the phenomenal performance in the future? It's an easy question you can answer. It is yes. So that's the reason we are trying to tell this story like 20 30 years story. One can complete their earning life cycle is 40 years, 30 to 40 years based on your education which you do. So they can travel with these kind of stocks like where you don't get, even if it is going to be in loss for 2 3 years, you don't get serious capital erosion. Number one. Number two, how you don't get capital erosion, like every quarter you can just touch base with us. A simple WhatsApp message, like we can return back to you, or else you can ask in the online forum. So we are ready to tell you these things without any cost, no charges. So this is how you maintain your portfolio. So this company has already given a phenomenal 10 years performance. That is why we are projecting for the next 10 years. Having said that, review it at least every year you review it. Okay, so that's where this story we spoke today about the Jubilant Food, and then the other small part. So today is the expiry, so look at our Twitter. So we will do this. We already done this part and this part, so will not waste your time. This is important for both of us, very very important, the disclaimer. And trading risk, please read it carefully. And this is little important to you and more important to us, which is not the money part just, but the awareness which we take it very seriously. So you can see it from our some of the things which content which we are creating. And this story we have spoken 5 minutes every post market last week. Please go and have a look at it. So we don't want to waste your time, but like if you are doing SIP or investment, please keep this one. Like if you're a strong believer of stock market, then you keep it around 60 percentage or something. Sorry. If you're a strong believer of stock market, invest most of the things in your stocks and then keep this one 30 percentage. And if you are very negative about your stock market, you should still be in stock market. Don't buy stocks or mutual fund, but buy this Nifty like 50% or 60% or even 40%. Okay, buy your paper gold by opening the demat account. So you keep that one 60%. Okay, this is how you capture your investment for your family and for yourself and even for the generations to come. And this is going to help you in the retirement. Okay, so and then this will give you the inflation protection. So this is a small extra point which we want to tell. And please do this if you feel worthwhile what the content we are creating, and it is going to be useful for you and your other people you are connected to. Please share with them.